Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna take apart this air conditioner, this air condenser unit. It's a 5-ton unit that we swapped out, and before we throw it out and recycle it, figure we salvage what we can. I want to take the dryers out. The line dryers. This is a return line dryer. This is a high pressure line dryer, and I'm gonna cut them open and see what's inside. I also want to salvage these valves right here because they look like they could be handy. Alright.
Alright, so while we're cutting the copper lines, we're removing panels, I want to encourage viewers to research the vapor compression refrigeration process on the internet to get a better intuition on how air conditioners work. So I don't do a very good job explaining it later, so also on second thought I probably won't be opening up the line dryers because I looked it up online. It looks like it's going to get messy. And that's about it. I hope this demystifies the mystery of the compressor condenser unit for you. As you can see, it's a very, very simple makeup of two different components that cools your house.
Alright, just want to go over real quick the parts involved in a condenser unit. In essence, what you're looking at right here is the compressor. The gas is brought back in the compressor through the low pressure line, and it's compressed and passes through this high pressure line, and it's looped all around in this radiator looking thing, and heat is removed from the high pressure gas. It's liquefied and then sent back into the house to the evaporator coil. And this over here is the fan that helps the condensing process. It's the line for the fan, and here's the line for the compressor. Now, we had removed earlier two pressure switches. It goes into these lines right here. See how they're mated? And that in essence just protects the compressor if the pressure balance was off. I think it shuts it off to keep the compressor from getting damaged. So just want to show you real quick before I destroy this thing.